how to sign out of Trust Wallet. So if you want to sign out of your Trust Wallet account, then first of all, open up your Trust Wallet application. And once you've opened, you need to enter your fingerprint, or you can enter your passcode and it will be logged in, right? So after logging into your account, now you can simply go for settings, which is on the upper left. And then if you scroll down here, you won't have an option to log out. So what you can do is you need to simply delete your wallet. That's the only way to sign out of your Trust Wallet account, because we don't have an option to sign out of Trust Wallet. So if you want to log out, first you need to remember your 12 word that you have received while creating your wallet. So simply remember that 12 words. And now what you can do is you can go for your wallets, which is on the first. And here you will have your wallet, right? You can simply go for the three dots, which is on the right side of that wallet. And here you will have delete option on the upper right. Tap on that trash and then tap on delete. And once you've deleted, you need to again enter your passcode. And after entering your passcode, now that's it. That's how you log out of your account. And now to again log in, you can go for add existing wallet, and then you can go for the secret phrase and enter your 12 words secret phrase, and then you can log into your account. And that's it. That's how you log out of your Trust Wallet. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.